Learn how to make a garlic antibiotic ointment at home. Garlic is a widely used substance throughout the world, though not everyone knows of its medicinal properties. Over the centuries, natural medicine has used this vegetable in treatments, as it contains properties that resist infections, fungi, bacteria, and even helps clean and purify the blood. These wonderful benefits are found when the garlic is crushed, and by that process a substance called allicin is released, which is the base of many medicines produced by pharmacies. In this article, we will teach you how to prepare an excellent ointment for curing various ailments. Use this medicine at home. For the majority of wounds, crushed garlic may be used directly on the wound. Doing so will alleviate the pain and avoid infections. In addition, once ingested, garlic helps to generate healthy bacterial flora and counteracts negative effects of oral medications on the stomach. For infections caused by fungi, for example, athlete's foot, garlic paste can be applied directly to the infection, then covered with socks. Although it is recommended that said socks only be used for this treatment and discarded after finishing the treatment. Garlic paste may also be applied to rashes, including acne or herpes, genital or oral. Another one of the benefits may be found by rubbing it on the chest to reduce colds and pneumonia, and rubbing it in the nostrils can alleviate sinus infections and post-nasal drip. Finally, garlic can also be a great painkiller and antibiotic when applied gently with a cotton swab in the ears. How to prepare a garlic ointment. To achieve this marvelous, multi-use paste, you need only remember the rule of 3 times 3. 3 ingredients: virgin coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil, and fresh garlic. In order to make the paste, you will need 3 overflowing tablespoons of each ingredient. Instructions to follow. Put the coconut oil in a small pan over low heat, add the olive oil and mix them well. When they were hot and uniform, add in the garlic bit by bit, saute lightly, and remove from heat. Put the mixture in a blender or use a mortar and pestle or coffee grinder to grind. Strain the resulting substance and put it in a jar. Ready. Now you have your own antibiotic ointment and painkiller. Keep it in the refrigerator, and don't forget to mix it occasionally to keep it for 2 weeks. Explanation. When the mixture is recently made, it will be a color similar to that of milk, but little by little, it will become soft and thicker. After several hours of refrigeration, you will discover it will be denser, spreadable balm. If you have reached this point in the article, it means you have gotten excited about this ancient natural remedy, and only one piece of advice remains: in spite of the coconut oil, the garlic odor will remain, so try to use it only in the house, as the odor can also get into your clothing. You should therefore choose clothing to use for using the treatment and make sure to not mix them with other laundry when you washing. And there you have it. You have been able to see that it is very easy to prepare this homemade garlic antibiotic ointment. don't delay in preparing some, as it is a natural remedy that will provide innumerable benefits for the whole family.